Welcome, friends. Once again, this is Pius Otsuka Zoe from Excellent Visuals. And in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download fonts and upload them into your pixellab and use them for your design projects. Now, why is it important to learn how to do this? It is because one of the reasons is because you see, there is a way that fonts can change the entire look and outcome of your designs. There is a way you can use the wrong fonts on your design and it will spoil the entire look of your design. And there is a way you can accurately use and apply fonts to your design and it will change the look of your design. So it is important to know how to download fonts, many fonts into your pixellab and have access to many fonts so you can choose from the one that suits best for your design. And one of the second reasons to why this tutorial is important is because initially pixellab comes with a defaulted and limited fonts. It is unlike the Canva app that comes with unlimited fonts. In Canva, you have access to unlimited fonts and you can even search for the fonts you want to use while designing, if at all you know the names of the fonts you want to use. But then on pixellab, the fonts are very limited. Some versions of pixellab comes with up to 1K fonts. Some versions comes with up to 2K fonts. Whichever the case is, they are very limited and you would need to learn how to manually install fonts into your pixellab, any kind of fonts at all you want. Learn how to upload them into your pixellab and use them for your project. So without wasting so much time, let's dive right into it. So in this tutorial, we'll be using, just log in, enter your web browser. For this tutorial, I'll be using my Chrome browser. And so when you come to your browser, just type www.dafont.com. Now, this web address is one of the addresses that you can use to download fonts. There are many other web addresses, but this is one of it. So anytime you type this web address, it will direct you to a page where you can get access to a lot of fonts that you can download. So but for this tutorial, I'll be using this web address. All right, so you search it, and then automatically it has brought us to the page, and you can see there are many fonts here. There are many fonts here. I don't think I like any of these fonts. So now you can select the category of fonts you want here. You can see fancy fonts is automatically on fancy. You can choose cartoon fonts, comic, and so on and so forth. Just search across the one you want and you go for it. But I don't think I would like to use any of the fonts here. So what do? I will just look for something different. Well, for the purpose of this video, let me not waste our time. So I would rather be downloading these fonts. Let me just make use of these fonts for this tutorial, since it's just a tutorial. Otherwise, on the norms, I wouldn't use any of these fonts. So now, when you look at the right hand side of the page, you would see an area where there's an inscription to download. There's an option to download. So what you're going to do is to click on the download to download the fonts you want, and automatically it begins to download. You can see that at the top of your screen. It has been downloaded, right? You can check it. It's been downloaded. You can go to your downloads and see that it's been downloaded. So that's it. Moratine, that's the name of this the fonts. Moratine. So the next thing you're going to do is to come to your Z archiver. Now this is what Z archiver looks like. All right, so it's one of the app you've been needing for this tutorial. So if you don't have it yet, kindly download it. It's available in the Google Play Store or iOS Store. Just search for Z Archiver and you'd get it. All right, so the next thing we're going to do after downloading the font is to launch the Z Archiver. So once you open the Z Archiver, the next thing you're going to do is to go to your downloads. Right, go to your download. So let me check the name of the font again so I don't forget. Okay, Moratine. So go to your download and search for the name of the font you just downloaded. It was Moratine, so I will go to where the letters is M, Moratine, M. So Moratine. Okay, I found it. So you come to where this is what we just, so initially this is how they would look like a zip format, okay? So what you're going to do is don't long press it. Don't long press it, okay? That's not the option we'll be using. Just touch it. Once you touch it, these options will come up: view, extract here, extract to archiver, whatever. You see extract, you see test, you see compression. Now, what you're going to do is don't click on the view. No, don't click on extract here. Don't click on extract to. Don't click on test. Neither would you click on compress. Just click on extract. Now, immediately you touch the extract, you would see this arrow sign would come up. Okay, so it's ready to be extracted. So, but once the arrow icon has been highlighted, don't do anything. Just come to this place here. Just come to the top of your. Come to this place here. Touch on this place to change the direction you want to extract your font into. We are not extracting it here, so don't extract it here. Just click on this download place you see here. Click at this place, then click on your device storage. Click on your device storage, enter it. And so what we're going to do is to create a new folder. Now, once you want to begin this journey, create a new folder that you'll be importing all your fonts into. Why? So as to ensure organization. Okay, so that you don't upload your fonts to this folder, you upload this other fonts to this folder, and you upload this other fonts to this folder. It doesn't make a sense. So learn to be organized even as a young person, okay? So much more beyond this design, ensure that you're organized, all right? So we're going to be doing this to ensure organization. So you're going to create a new folder to be uploading your fonts into. Don't forget that whatever you do, this arrow sign is still being carried along whatever you do, all right? So the next we're going to do is to come and click on this plus icon you see here to create a new folder. Click on it and then touch on the new folder. Then write the name of the folder you want. For me, I'll be using my brand's name, Excellent Visual. Excellent Visuals. Let me add creativity to it. Excellent Visuals Creativity. So this is the name of the folder that I've created, and this is where I'll be importing or extracting the font into. So once you've created the folder, you can now click on this arrow icon here. Click on it. At once you see that the font has been extracted to this place, and this is the name Moratine. So the next thing you're going to do after you've extracted it into the folder you want, you kindly launch your pixellab. Launch your pixellab, and now you would have to just highlight as though you want to write something, just highlight the text so as to impute uh, a write up so that you can. Um, all right, so let me write something. Okay, now go to your fonts, click on it. Automatically, anytime you open fonts, you'll be brought to this place that's written fonts. You also see another option for my fonts. Now my fonts is where you'll be clicking. Come to my fonts. Now once you come to my fonts, you'd see this icon and this icon. But we're just gonna be clicking on this icon that you see T plus. T there signifies text. The plus there means to import text. You see that now? So we're gonna click on it, then locate the name of the folder you created, that you imported the photo into. For me, the name of the folder that I created was Excellent Visuals Creativity. So locate the folder that you created, and then you would see the font there. You see this is the fonts you created, and then you'll be seeing this box. Now click on the box to mark the font. Once you mark it, then you've selected the font, you can now import it by touching this add selected. So click on the add selected. Exactly. So we've added the fonts to pixellab. So you can manually search for it by scrolling all the way, or you can also type the name of the font in this search box or search space. I think the name was Moratine. So this is it. This is what I want to use, and I've selected. So this was the fonts I just downloaded. You can see now I've selected the fonts. So this is how to download fonts into your this is how to install and upload fonts into your pixellab so you can use it for your project. Thank you for making it to the end of this tutorial. I hope you got value. Don't stop practicing, keep practicing. Thank you.